Hello everyone, Rona May here of Musespeak Studio, or as my students call me, Ms. Rona. I've got a big announcement to share with you all today, and that is that the studio has a Kofi page. Yay! Okay, I can see there's a thought bubble floating over your head that says, what's Kofi? Kofi is a platform where viewers like you can support your favorite creators, either through a one-time donation or monthly support. And us creators, in turn, can share exclusive content with you, such as behind-the-scenes, works in progress, and bring you in on the creative process so that we can continue to bring content to you that's relevant and to up our game constantly. Now, what makes Kofi a little bit special, well, one of the things that makes Kofi special is that they don't take a cut on your donations. No platform fees. Unusual. Weird. I know. So, please show your love for Kofi by visiting their page, following them on their socials, and supporting the other creators there. So, what do we have on the studio's Kofi page? Here's a sneak peek. Let's look at Incy Wincy Spider first, so make sure you're following along. Done?
B sharp, so that would be C sharp minor.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, is everyone's head straight enough before I start talking?
My head's never been straight, so.
So that's just a small taste of what you'll find on the studio's Kofi page. It's a work in progress, learning process, and welcome to feedback from Kofi supporters and followers. But do check out the different sections. So there's 3 levels of membership, all with different types of benefits. You'll see that they are named after 3 of the 9 Greek muses. So there's Euterpe, Polyhymnia, and Calliope. And that's because Musespeak Studio was inspired. The name was inspired by the Greek muses. Under commissions, if you want to have a one-on-one lesson or coaching session, and the shop will grow over time. Courses, handouts, tutorials. That's all I have to say to introduce the Kofi page. Go check it out. Post a comment. I look forward to interacting and sharing an exchange of ideas, project ideas and all that over on Kofi. So till then, thanks for watching the video. Do hit the subscribe button if you'd like to, and the notification bell as well, if you'd like to be notified of when the next video is. Till then, stay well and catch you in the next video. Bye.